response.
Woods, hello, Ishmael. Stucky, get down. God dang it, you little kitty cat. Come here. Where are you? There you are. There they are. Hello, Crypto AVAX. Why isn't the camera working? What the heck? Oh, Arena. Oh, I need a new stream key. Shit. Okay. Dougie, get the fuck out of here. Hola, Druth. Hold on, I got to push to the arena here. We're kind of I'm struggling with that. All right, there we go. There we go. Now we should be live. Yay! I can't hear you, Drew. No sound for you. Cat 1, Malik 0. Yes, that's true.
Dude.
Takes the profit.
Clearing the cache fucks everything up.
It ruined my life for like 12 hours, like 4 hours.
Yeah, we're boomers. I'm a boomer with you.
We're boomers. Dude, can I show you something that I'm very proud of? That I don't know if it will help me at all in life, but look at my X engagement recently.
I'm looking at your face, man.
I know. I'm pulling it up right now.
Nice, dude. You're having some spikes. You got some action.
But I'm averaging way over 50 right now for the week. Look at it, even on the 2 week. So from January 5th, I've hit over 55,000 a day is what you need to get monetized. I'm definitely averaging 55,000 a day right now.
Dude, I like.
You know what the trick is? You know what the trick is?
What's that?
10 replies to non-crypto posts. Politics, culture, sports, 10. Two of them will go viral because you're smart, just like me. So that's been the trick. I've got
one minute. Say it again. What are you doing?
10 posts, 10 replies to very large, prominent tweets that are about that are not about crypto, right? So like this one right here, I've got 30,000 views, 536 likes, and a lot of comments for me. And it's my response to this crazy girl who is talking about how she is mad that her dad won't pay for the wedding because he is mad that she won't let him walk her down the aisle because she's not a piece of property. So I just simply said, you said your parents raised you to be an independent thinker. If they thought you were property, they would not have done so. Use your logic and your ideas. Get rid of mind virus.
Jeez. Ooh, I'm going to push this out to my Twitter too. Let's see if I go live. And then I might push this a couple places.
Dude, when I did that, I would have thought maybe 20 people would have seen that reply. But apparently that's the way you get followers, new people.
What the hell is Blaze? What'd you label Blaze?
Blaze is another streaming platform on Avalanche.
Holy shit. We're live there too?
Yeah, we're live there. But I need to focus. I'm not an affiliate yet. I still need a couple more followers. I don't have enough followers. I think I have the followers, but I don't have enough subscribers.
Can I see it? Is it a good platform?
It's got some good things here. Let me pull it up.
I don't even know where the
So
hell
here's how Blaze works. Blaze of glory. Okay, so
Gates to profit. Please heckle Mad. Okay.
Who?
Gates.
Oh, Gates. Don't heckle. Gates is my boy.
Yeah, please heckle.
Gates is my friend. Don't make him heckle me.
I'm gonna make an actual deported video too.
Please, or wait, can you give me the prompt to put into the AI I have for the video? So,
Uncle Sam.
Here's how this works on this. So I got because of course I cleared my cache. Okay, all right, here we go. So you can log in with Twitch, email, or X right now. And you go up here and you have your channel. And I have 8 subs. I've got 2 subscribers only. I need 11 more followers and 8 more subs, and then I start getting paid.
What, 10 people? Jesus, how new is this thing?
Oh, very new. Like 2 weeks old, 3 weeks old.
Oh, wow.
There's like no one here, but like 2 people have. Gina is killing it here. Killing it.
Really?
Because she's been able to turn all our followers into subscribers.
Well, Gina kills it everywhere.
Yes. No, of course. That's why I promote. Dude, Gina deserves all of her success for one reason. I asked at least 10 other very attractive women that could do what she's doing to do it, and they said no. Like most of the women didn't see the opportunity, didn't want to work hard enough, or didn't feel comfortable like streaming. I don't know what the reason was. I think it's because they didn't believe me that they could actually make money doing it, right? But
well, it's understandable to like be skeptical of it, you know. Ooh, Memetics. Yes, Memetics is my favorite person on X.
May, is there a specific coin that's happening on, or is it every coin? No, I'm going to gift out my own subs when I want to do it. I just haven't had time, dude. I'm working for the arena really hard. I'm working for VDEX really hard, and I'm trying to bring as much of it together as possible.
Thank you, Yisha. Drew, nice looking. Appreciate that. Look at that. Even in my ugliest outfit, so some nice looking.
Oh wait, here's my. Oh, I don't want. I hate this thing where I see myself. Okay, so
I talked to Gina after like this morning's basement chaos. She's down. Yeah. She's coming on Friday. Sounds like Friday. So
good.
Yeah. Well, we have one viewer
next
there.
Tuesday. We have one of the RFK people coming.
Oh yeah. Dude,
we need to Google. We need to create a Google. We need to create a calendar for our guests, so that we can pop it on there so you see it. Because
a Calendly.
Sometimes I might have an opportunity to book a guest at night when you're sleeping, and I want you to be able to wake up early before I'm up and see it, so that we don't get confused like today. Even though the Jose thing worked perfectly, it was epic.
Dude, look at this layout. Now we got Arena, and then and VDEX.
I know it doesn't look like Drew at all, does it? Like Drew doesn't look like himself right now.
Yeah, this is my sweatpants, my sleeping outfit, right? My wife made.
Now, everybody that's using VDEX, do not use the Brave browser. It is unequivocally not. It's not what's it called. It's not formatted yet.
Oh, so really?
Don't send tickets in about problems you find with the order book and the chart on Brave. It's the browser, not the VDEX. And they do not have time to focus on fixing Brave when they need to add more assets and do things that relate to trading that we want, because there's big news coming, guys. That's all I can tell you.
Couple things changing. Couple things changing. Oh shit, there she is. What up?
Oh yeah, May, just playing with AVAX, that makes sense.
Oh Matt, I found some stuff, dude.
What do you mean?
Dude, I found some shit.
Like you found like shit on the ground, or like some bad stuff?
I found some great shit.
Oh, great shit. Oh, good. Like the third definition of the word that I got wrong. That's great.
Yeah, good smelling shit. Do you want to see?
Smelling shit? What is it? A shoe? What is it?
We got to check this out. First, I got to tell you about my dinner, though. So we have a Dutch oven, a new Dutch oven.
Isn't a Dutch oven when you fart under the covers?
No. Well, actually, maybe. I think yes. Actually,
pretty sure that is. Okay.
Yeah, but also it's a cast iron pot that you cook in, right? And it's something you can put over a fire.
Okay.
And it but we have it in the house. I don't live in the woods. She made a beef stew. I am telling you, it is the best beef stew I've ever had in my life.
Really?
Yes. Oh my God. And I came home. She's got my 4-year-old with a paintbrush. 2 4-year-old girls each have a paintbrush loaded up with paint, and they're painting the brick wall that we're making into this like really beautiful setup. She trusted the daughters to paint, and they did a great job. I was really, really impressed. Let's look at some charts. I found something on Chainlink and Ethereum that I think is quite incredible. So let's check this out. We'll start with Ethereum. Bam. I wonder what this is going to look like. Bam, bam. All right. Decent. It's pretty decent. All right. So check this out, Matt. So we're going to look at the weekly, okay?
Okay.
So yes, we've broken out of the downward channel. Yes, I feel good. Are we in danger? Also, yes. But we might have some saving grace here, Matt. And I got to highlight
grace.
the last time that we've had a green, red, green dot sequence on the weekly money flow, with momentum being to the downside on Ethereum, was September of 2023. This was, I didn't even know you at the time. Actually, I think we knew about each other.
Yeah, but we weren't BFF.
Right. This was when ICP was $3. This is when, and ICP is $3 again. This is when Avalanche was $10. This is when a lot of alts were dirt cheap right here. You see that thing?
Yes, everybody repost and like. No, we don't have like buttons, but please like it anyways in your heart and your mind.
So this structure, the green, red, green, the bottoming out of Ethereum, last happened September and October of 2023. Ethereum, get ready, Matt. This is so fun. Ethereum ran for 160% from that reversal signal. We have the same reversal signal now. Green, red, green, same money flow structure. Look at this. So the money flow structure, also the same, with a swoop to the upside, downside, bada bing, bada boom. We got a swoop to the up, down. We're starting to set the same thing. So let's check this out, dude. This is fucking crazy. This thing printed right at about here, $3,100. If it plays out similarly, look at this shit, bro.
Dude, I gotta tell you, you talking in this quiet voice is kind of creepy to me. I'm just telling you, I understand why you have to do it. I'm just telling you, it creeps me out a little bit. Okay.
Well,
no, it's okay. It's okay. Other people probably find it very. See, Drew said ASMR going crazy. So some people find it to be ASMR, like Gina, and I find it to be minorly creepy. Maybe because it's ASMR. Yeah, that's it.
And you're used to me hyped up off of pre-workout
and caffeine, probably
midday cigarettes. No, I don't smoke cigarettes, but I should. Matt, look at this. If this signal plays out the same way, dude, Ethereum's going to $7,000.
$7,000. I don't believe it can be true, dude. Everybody says these things. I've never seen it happen, except on a token that we've never heard of that happens before we see it.
Matt, you just have to be around crypto for long enough.
Dude, I've been around crypto for a long time of down. I'm feeling very good about this week.
Dude, this signal is so good. I'm telling you.
Is this the bad signal, Drew?
This is my fucking bad signal.
The bad signal, okay.
And look,
hold on. I'm going to invite Quacky to come talk to us too. Do you know Quacky?
No, I'm willing to meet.
Yeah, look, Quacky.
All the spot buys I do are based off these weekly.
Do you know what vector candles are?
I've looked at them briefly, but you know.
What I find is that in TA, different people find different tools that work for them, right?
Yeah. And this is what works for me.
Right. No, that's what I'm saying. Like, but what I just as confident as you are about this, right?
Mm-hmm.
He's confident about that, although different time periods. His is more of a short-term trade, right?
Mm-hmm.
He's more of a scalp. That's more of a scalp, whereas this is more of like a mid to long. Hey, Quacky.
Yeah.
Do you want to, if I give you a link, will you come up live with me and Drew on doing a trading show? You don't have to show your face. You can just come up and talk to us.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, let me drop it in here.
No, that's not mine, Quacky. I'm OX7, and the last is 845.
Oh, that's loud.
What is going on in the background?
I don't know. Quacky, I got to turn this off because it's so loud, but I'm going to send you it right here, okay?
Thanks for the repost, Gina. Oh, yeah, she does say this is ASMR, huh?
Yep.
Drew ASMR. Let's see here. Pretty base chat going on. So, Matt, I accidentally entered a long in the Discord that I thought was a short. And I didn't die, but I came close.
Wait, what happened? What did you almost do?
I'm just going to go ahead and close this.
Wait, where did you go short at?
No, it was a long, but I meant it to be a short right here.
Oh, got it.
And it fucking... Beep, beep.
Dude, it happens like that sometimes. You know, you can't really control the universe in every possible way.
It's the way she goes. It's the way she goes. She got to go one way or another.
I had a nice little. Let's see if my trade on Pengu is still going up. It is not. We're broken even. God dang it! I was up so much, now it's even.
Pengu.
Yeah.
Pengu's. I got some spot Pengu. This is way up from when I got it.
Yeah, dude. I'm a little upset, but
it's gonna be fine.
So can you keep an eye? My dad's being very passive aggressive right now. I gotta help him put something outside. He's just walking back and forth, and he's not gonna stop until I go fix it. So can you just look for Quacky to pop up if he pops up?
Yeah, sure.
And he's starting to do that thing with his throat. He's like totally being like a dick to force him to go up there. Okay,
I'll help him out.
I know that he was supposed to take the cat poop outside, so I'll do it.
Okay, he's taking cat poop outside. All right, Matt's gonna take care of that. I don't know if I should God, maybe Elise is right. It's a trade that I accidentally entered in. Sometimes these are the ones that work out. You're melting your face off. Don't melt your face off. Jeez Louise. That sounds painful. My wife does this thing. It's like my mom and my wife, they do this thing where they cause damage to their skin. It like remakes their skin, apparently. I don't know, but I know she's beautiful from it, so it seems to be working. Whatever she's doing is working. That's for sure. Feel AVAX will touch the top again before retest. Well, let's go look at AVAX. I'm getting distracted by this chart. It's actually going slightly my direction. That's kind of funny. Really shouldn't have. It's an accidental trade. That's how the world works. Damn, Bitcoin, what you doing? Are we getting ready to pump or something? What is you doing, Bitcoin? Holy shit. Okay, Ease. Okay, Ease. There's a little bit of action there. Also, you know what? We need jams. What are we doing without jams? What kind of show is this? Unbelievable.
FBI, open up!
Not going to open that. All right, let's see here.
Doctors on the scene, yeah, ready to fight.
What is that thing called where they're doing it? It's improving blood flow and cell growth. What do they do to their face? Working for her. Oh my God, Ethereum. You really doing this right now? You really doing this right now? You know I bought that dip. Had dip, got it for 45 cents. I bought Aerodrome now 5 times in the 50-cent range, and the original buy was at 18. I'm feeling great. G'd it above 2. House money working for me. A little bit of new money in there. Feeling good. Chemical peels and microneedling. That's exactly what she's doing. It is exactly what she's doing. It's working. It's working. Yeah, Ace is picking in there. That's right, Gates. That's right, baby. Let's see what other jams we got going on in this. Oh, yeah.
Check the mic, 1, 2.
Before I get this going, if Josh is in the chat, let's make sure. I have a feeling we owe you for a duck race or something.
Word. Heard Joshua got screwed. ABC Black. Some pool hall crime. Gotta rewind. Back to that time. He got his hustle on. Clean, sharp. But now it's like, where the cat? Joshua's do. Pay up full. Before Drew in my lake find you. See Drew. He ain't playing games. Malek man's breathing flames. Founding fathers flipped the crown. Now they hunting punks all over town. Thinking they slick, thinking they fast. When karma comes, slow them blast. Joshua's do. Pay up full. Before Drew in my lake find you.
And Joshua, but he got rug pulled. So we made a song about it.
Drew in my lake find you.
Well, Eric Adams and his rug pull, that's pretty good.
Check the mic, 1, 2. Word. Heard Joshua got screwed. ABC Black. Some pool hall crime. Gotta rewind. Back to that time.
I'm gonna round trip this whole thing.
But now it's like,
I got in on this shit.
Joshua's do.
Round trip down
Pay
there.
up full. Before Drew in my lake find you. See Drew. He ain't playing games. Malek man's breathing flames. Founding fathers flip the crown. Now they hunting punks all over town. Thinking they slick, thinking they fast. But karma comes slow and black. Joshua's do, pay up full,
Duh.
full. Before Drew,
Very nice.
Drew in my lake, find you. Joshua's do.
Damn, 1911s are
Pay
enticing.
up full. Before Drew in my lake,
What's up,
find
sir?
you. Yo. Check the mic, 1, 2. Word. Heard Joshua got screwed. ABC Black. Some pool hall crime. Gotta rewind. Back to that time. He got his hustle on. Clean, sharp. But now it's like, where the cash?
If we can get there, Gates.
Pay up full.
Let's see if we can get there, baby. It's a long way till we can rock and roll like that. We'll see. It'll be a good night. Man.
He ain't playing games. Malek man founding fathers flipped the crown. Now they hunting punks all over town.
The New York City mayor released a token to fight anti-Semitism,
Joshua's do, pay up full.
and then he rug pulled everyone.
Before Drew in my lake, find you. Joshua's do, pay up full.
It's so good.
Before Drew in my lake, find you. Yo.
I had to flip myself.
Check the mic, 1, 2. Word. Heard Joshua got screwed.
It's a pretty good
ABC
lick.
Black. Some pool
10%.
hall crime. Gotta rewind. Back to that time. He got his hustle on. Clean, sharp. But now it's like, where the cash? Joshua's do. Pay up full. Before Drew in my lake, find you.
Okay.
See Drew, he ain't playing games. Malek man's breathing flames. Founding fathers flipped the crown. Now they hunting punks all over town. Thinking they slick, thinking they fast.
What's up, man?
What's up? I'm almost done. You'll never believe what he wanted me to use the plunger.
Oh my god,
I'm
that's
like, yeah, hey dad, what's up? He's like, did you do this? I'm like, do what? Flush your grade. I'm like, are you asking me to use the plunger, dad? Yeah. Do it the way you showed me. I'm like, you mean the right way? Okay.
that's a good of you. That's good of you.
I mean, yeah. I mean, it is
You
true
know.
that like I learned the right way from somebody when I lived in LA. Before that, I clearly was doing it the wrong way. I would never have dreamt that it was done the way that it's supposed to be done would be the way you do it. But when you do it the right way, it works. When you do it the wrong way, no bueno.
I've never done it the wrong way. I'm kind of afraid of the wrong way.
No, dude, you should be afraid of the wrong way because it is a fearful thing to exist with.
Yeah.
No doubt.
So this accidental trade ended up like being D's.
Nice jam. Look at that. He thought it was a nice jam. We created that jam, baby.
Yeah. Oh, also it was the
Oh man, look at our chat blowing up in the arena. Hey, Gates, if you want to come join us over here in Memetics, the chat in the arena is popping off. Where Malik? I'm right here, Surf. What up, dog? Dirk. Oh, dude, we should have pulled up the Where Malik website when I was leaving. Shoot.
bring it up.
Dude, you
Bring
need
it
to
up.
have this so you can always turn it on. Here, go ahead. Can you see it?
Let's put it on. Switch to your screen.
Wait, what? Oh, that's right. I did the wrong one. Okay, share file, window.
Damn, Matt, did I just do something crazy here?
What'd you do? Tell me.
It was along at that level. Like, it's not.
Okay,
doing
here
too
we
bad.
go. Where Malik? I'll be right back. I'm just gonna finish what we did with my dad. But look, see the timer's on. You guys want to bet over or under on like 3 minutes? That's what I would put the bet at right now. Over under on 3 minutes, guys.
Oh my god. That's
Dirk,
so
explain
funny.
to Surf what this website does and how great it is.
Wait, do they have? Hopefully, they have the link.
No, it's not published yet. I'm not allowed to give it out.
Okay. Over. Easy. Over. Yeah, Matt's going to be gone for 2 hours now. We'll make 10 grand. He'll come back. He'll be financially destitute. We're going to be on yachts. It's going to be crazy, chat. It's going to be 17 minutes. Oh, my gosh. This is incredible. Where is... Let me see something real quick. Alec has vanished. We're a minute and 17 seconds in, folks. Place your bets now. I can't believe this is going to actually be a thing. This is so crazy. What have we done? What have we done? Just raw dogging this trade. Let's see how it goes. Stops in profit at least, so if it goes against me, it goes against me. I like free trades. Those are my favorite kind of trades. Free trades. Jesus, what have you guys been doing in this? What in the... What's Hapu? Nope, not doing that shit. Not doing that shit. Let's see here. This is a good one.
Underneath the blood moon glow, demons rise from the crypto flow. All coin dreams, they start to fade. Whispers echo a price parade. Ticking clocks, a cycle.
3 minutes. Up to 3 minutes.
And screens, battlefields of broken dreams, candles fall, they burn so bright.
I'd say he's gone 10 minutes. Put that on leverage.
Will we see the morning shadows of the cycle running out of time? Bitcoin's pulling higher, stealing every line. Altcoins crying louder, but their voices
8 minutes, 40 seconds. 12 minutes. All right, so you're jeoparding. You're playing Price is Right on me. That's a pretty good jam. Damn, I missed December. Let's see here. What's this? What the fuck is this? I don't like that song at all. This is a good one. That's got some weird shit in this studio of his. Oh my God. You're back already?
Yeah.
So how long was that? 5 minutes?
5 minutes and 5 seconds.
Shit.
Dude,
That's
stop
weird.
saying what Vienna always says. 5 minutes doesn't mean 30. It means like 12 to 15. Used to mean 30 when I lived in LA.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, you lost, Dirk. It was 505, buddy. Ha ha. Ha ha.
Oh my god.
Oh, 420 would be great.
Yeah, you just
Sir,
you're on
you
purpose.
bastard, you know me. Good job, buddy. That's very accurate. It's very on brand.
You're just gonna insider
Oh,
it.
look at dude, the pit. Set departure period durations, betting amount in Malik. Oh my gosh. Over 5 minutes, under 5. So there's an over under 5 minute one right here.
Just
Where
literally a
you can put up
prediction
500,000 of Where Malik tokens.
Oh my god, bro.
And then here you can report interruptions. Oh my god, it connects to the Rabby wallet. Oh my god, he's been working on it. Holy shizzle. But it connected.
No way.
Yes, it did. Look, and I just reported an interruption.
Bro.
Now watch this. Watch this. Okay,
You're gonna bet on yourself and then win.
You are banned.
The ban hammer. Okay. So yeah, so you have to. I think what he's doing is you have to have an arena account connected to this to be able to interact with it, which makes sense. And then report ban. Oh, I reported.
You are banned.
And it says AVEX looker spotted. That's so funny. Nemesis enforcement status.
I'm making a deported button right now too.
Please, do you want me to give you that deported picture that I have? I have a good deported picture.
Send it to me
into the AI. Yeah.
Yeah, send it to me on X.
Deported.
I hate that one
I
so much.
know. Deported.
It's the worst thing I've ever seen in my life.
Do not make a new coin with my face, Dirk. I'll murder you. Surf V trip was very slow because she ended up missing 2 straight days of the flight because we couldn't find her ID. So, but on New Year's Eve, we found her ID. Christmas Eve, she found her ID the night before, and we got her on the flight. She got home, so she was with her family on Christmas Eve, and she made it to the airport on her own. She was very happy. It was good.
Bro, we need to have
Duck Derby, baby.
We need to have a hangout at Bitcoin Vegas, bro.
100% certain we got to start doing IRL stuff.
I'm going to Bitcoin Vegas with the whole team.
And then this entire prediction market, and you can create Malik prediction markets here. Malik will mention the Lions in the next 30 minutes. Yes or no?
Oh my god.
Wait, let's do one. Wait, does this really work? If he made this work, I'll die. Malik will lose his next BTC trade. BTC trade.
Oh my god. Oh
yes, no. Initialize market. There it is.
So what you gonna bet on?
Yes.
You're gonna bet on yourself?
Yes.
This is kind of a good way to hedge in case you lose.
I don't know. Investment amount, not $20. I'll do $1.
Bro.
Oh, so this is the issue he's dealing with is getting it to connect to Rabby. That's the issue. The financial stuff, right? Oh, dude, I'm using the wrong browser. I need to be using Brave for this. That's where my Rabby is actually connected to. But anyways, this is very well conceived. Don't you agree?
Oh, it's incredible.
Look at this up here. Cat alert. Ducky seen near the router. Stay vigilant. Malik closed his $15 million strategic capital deal. Cat alert.
We need the cat is the most. That's like the truest thing because you can't control the cat.
Dude, not only can I not control it, wait till you see what the cat did on Veteran Show. Hold on a second here.
The cat is our only hope in this prediction market.
I call this DuckTales. Remember, DuckTales was a show, right?
Yeah, actually.
Okay, so DuckTales Attack, I call this. Okay,
dude, with DW.
To give it away to the community, so then they can trade underneath you and get you airdrop point volume.
There you
right?
go.
And then they get to learn how to trade using credit. but it's not credit that like what we have now. It's actually credit they can withdraw. They only have to hold it for 48 hours.
The car, give that cat's a star.
The cat's
Oh my
tail.
God, Ducky! Ducky, what are you doing? What is happening here? Why? Why is this happening?
Wow. Wow.
That is just truly funny, isn't it? It's like, what in the world is she doing? He said it was like a submarine with a periscope popping up out of the sea. I'm like, yep.
Or it's like
poking around like
this monster or something, or
trying to poke me in the eye.
yeah, unbelievable.
So apparently it is true that part of the clipping broke, but you can just download the clip and then repost it. I alerted them today they're going to try to fix it. So never, if you guys do a clip, never hit post before download. Make sure you download it first because it's possible that the clip won't work, especially on Brave browser, I've been told. So apparently Brave is just not crypto. Always crypto companies that are newer don't optimize for Brave until the very last minute. So it's like the last thing they have to do.
Brave is an afterthought, for sure.
Oh, I like it so much better though. My whole life is on it.
Bro, no, it's not. Jesus.
Dude, do you see that I have Mandarin bookmarks up here that I can't get rid of? Mandarin.
Matt, I made $1,000 in Brave tokens just using the internet last cycle.
I know. Why are you complaining about Brave?
Because the price of the token's down, so I don't care.
Oh, right.
I sold it all, but
well, I would have sold mine too.
All right, so you said yes, you're going to lose the next Bitcoin trade. Remember that.
I did not say yes.
Damn it!
But I couldn't get a bet, and I don't think anybody else could either. So, Opus. I'm on Opus right now. Okay. No, don't do that. It'd be such a waste, Dirk. Such a waste. Okay, I'll check our Discord right now.
Have any arena tokens been runners lately?
Yes, there was one. Oh, I was going to tell you. Do you have access to any of your you have access to Blockchain Basement, right?
Yeah.
Do we have any Avalanche sitting there?
I'll go check.
We should buy Lambo right now.
I'll go check.
So
Unzipped pants.
the person who's coming on our show Tuesday, right, from politics, she was ready. It was apoplectic yesterday that her $11,000 of Avalanche was now like $3,400. And I said, listen, just full port it to the arena right now, okay?
No,
because even though you've lost all that money, arena's down even more than that. So she bought 1 million arena with 60%. So it was basically just under $2,000. Dude, it cost almost $7,000 to buy 1 million arena like 6 months ago. So I'm like, you have to understand this is the best price you're ever going to get. She's a champion now. She's so stoked. So and then I had her buy 3 million Lambo, 5 Avalanche of Lambo, which is already up 30%. I had her buy 5 Avalanche of this right here. Oh, no one's supposed to
That's
see
so
that.
crazy seeing all the different assets on arena directly. It's fucking nuts. Ooh, New York City coin is pumping, bro.
Dude, that rug?
Yeah, it's pumping. It's trying to.
Dude, there already was a New York City coin launched by Stacks. I don't understand like what this one is.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't. It really doesn't. Why am I not logged in here? What the? Okay.
Oh God.
Did you just hear that?
No, just moving my butt around.
Dude, sitting down all day, I have to go upstairs and like lie on the couch for like 10 minutes after I get it done with the stream because my butt is just like paralysis.
That's why the good chair. Do you have a good chair?
I do. I have the best. If I didn't have this chair, dude, I couldn't stream.
Okay, good.
I was dying with the bad chair. I have.
Did you get a Streamlab?
I have what?
Did you get a Streamlab?
Herman Miller.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, so you go to Explore, okay, then tokens. Gladius, I had her buy like 5 AVX of that. Bands is the most recent runner, 2.2 million. Topia just started last week. Now it's up 13.9 cents. It looks like Topia is going to run probably because it's going for the phase 4, 1 million market cap. I think it's going to get there. Meow is a smart. So there's only 4 tokens I like here. Lambo's up 10% right now. It was up 20 earlier. So it must be that on the day. So she bought her Lambo yesterday at $212,000. It's at 306 now. But I still like it a lot. The only tokens from the old world that I think are going to survive are Lambo, Meow, ID. Those are the old ones. And there is and possibly Wolfie. Possibly. To think that Lambo was as high as, let's see what the all-time high was on Deck Screener. Was as high as like 70 million.
That's so insane. That is so insane.
It is so insane. But Wolfie was pretty, let's see here. I know that Jason once mentioned that he thought that Gladius would be the first arena token to hit 100 million. I think its all-time high is 15. So it's pretty depressed. And it's actually a pretty awesome AI agent.
AI agent meta is so...
Came back this week. Look at this. Look at Lambo. Look at Lambo.
Wow.
Oh, I guarantee you why. Because they migrated it to the Arena V3, so now they can get creator fees. That's why I was telling everybody to buy it. And dude, it hasn't even started yet. It probably just started. Wait, what? Can I see what time this was? Yeah, dude, this just happened like an hour ago.
What are those, minute candles or 5
This
minute
is 5
candles?
minutes. Look,
Jeez.
minute candles. Let's look at the 3-minute candles. What I need to see here. 3 minutes. Yeah, dude, this is the last 30 minutes. So yeah, if you can get 1 million of these, get 1 million of them in the basement. This is going to a couple million for sure. And it's all-time. Where do I see the all-time high? Do you know on Deck Screener? Is there a place?
Yeah, you gotta go to larger time frames.
Oh, right. 4 hour. How about 3 day? $60 million. 61 million. All-time high.
Dude, you know what I need to do? I need to check my Gina wallet.
Gina's up. Gina's up, hose down. Dude, we should either relaunch it, which would be easy because it's not as expensive to do it anymore, right? Or we should, dude, I want to show you guys what I created. Oh, first of all, guys, I need to know what should my Twitter handle be? These are the 2 choices, okay, that I can get. No more underscore. Or the Malik or Matthew J. Malik.
Matthew Camel.
Suck a fat one.
I think Quacky's backstage.
Oh, Quacky, get up here, buddy.
What's up, dude?
Quacky. What up, dog? Doing cool. Oh, I'm glad you're on video. I was not expecting you to be on video. That's great. So we're just looking at some random meme coins on Avalanche that used to run. Lambo was one that went to 70 mil, and it's at 200,000. And I told everybody to buy it yesterday, and now it's going up again because they just added creator fees to all the old tokens finally. So my thesis was when they have creator fees, the community will buy. Why would they buy?
This is that one you were telling me about that you got
Lambo. Oh no! So
you got all the secret tokens.
Yeah, the one that I was talking about was they're debating it right now in the chat whether I should relaunch it. It's called the Where Malik, the one they made fun of me with, but they have a whole website about making fun of me, which is pretty fun. Right here. The whole website is designed to make fun of me. How long will I leave my stream for? You start the timer and then you bet on it, right? Then there's other predictions about
you know what you should set up on there?
Well,
like the betting, like the winners like get the money from your wallet.
Yeah, no, it's connected to Rabby and other things, and the prediction markets are either going to pay out. So there's going to be parts of it that are prediction markets and parts of it that I pay out. That's exactly. So there's going to be certain bets that I put in, right? Like if I'm gone longer than 5 minutes, you guys win and you get the money, right? More like a reward. But what we really want to do is build a duck race that actually works. I know you, dude. His name's Quacky. He is made to be a duck racer, dog. Okay. Don't you agree, Drew? Did I just lose you there, buddy?
No, dude. I am working in the background on this deported video. It is gonna be lit, bro. I got it.
Okay, so let me try to get the duck race over here on this.
I got this shit.
If I copy the URL at the top, can people watch this?
If you copied what?
The URL at the top? Or
Yeah.
is it a different one I have to give them?
Oh, not in StreamYard. No, you have to go to if they want to watch on X, we're on my X.
Oh yeah, I can give you the link for. By the way, you can watch Arena without logging in now, so I can give you that link right here. I'll put it in the chat. This is
this deported video is gonna be so lit. Oh my god!
And then this is the link for X.
I am so excited.
Yeah, Drew. You got way more than me, so I should just shut mine off.
What?
No, your X is the way to go.
What?
Because you actually have followers and stuff, you know.
I guess.
And here's the X that you should go to right here.
They're people, you know.
I know. You have more people.
We don't have a number on how many are watching. I gotta go check that actually.
57 people are watching you on X. 22 are watching me.
Everyone's asleep right now, man.
Dude, who can sleep with the market ripping like this?
That's the point. What the dip's supposed to do is put them to sleep, man.
True.
I'm curious what's going to happen tonight.
So what's your take, Quacky? It definitely reversed before it hit the bottom, right? Sort of. Or you still think it's coming down to Sol is just so much easier to talk about number-wise? So we sort of felt like, Drew, we were going to get down to 144, 135, 143.5 before we went back up. But it didn't quite go that far down. Got pretty close.
Yeah,
D's been that everything's good.
Actually, it did get down there. Oh, not the 15-minute chart, sorry.
You want to look at Bitcoin?
Yeah, let's look at Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Now, Drew, I want you to show him your green dot thing, right? And Quacky, I want you to show him the vector thing, both teaching me, right? That's what I want to see, because you two both have very strong confidence in the thing you use, and you've both been right multiple times since I've seen you do it and do it well. So, but first, indicator. Let me put my.
Okay, so what is the link? I've never streamed before.
Oh, you've never streamed?
Oh my god!
Oh, dude, we'll help you out for sure, bro.
Yeah. Here, let's put the link here. I'll give you the link for Arena in our Quacky. There's a private chat that's to the far right, second option down.
Hola, stepping away from the computer.
So I'm going to put the Arena chat, the video there for the Arena in our private chat, and then I'll go to our X. I'll give you that link as well in there, and then you can send either of these links in the private chat so that people can find the show itself. Matt was talking about this. I was looking at it on Ethereum. Basically, I just back up the truck every time I have a clean momentum wave move to the downside on Ethereum, and the VWAP will click to the upside. It'll cause a green dot to print. So we're in that zone right now. I'm feeling pretty good about where the markets are at right now, honestly.
Again, it looks super bullish. I was saying that this morning.
Yeah.
The order books are just fucking stacked.
So, like, looking at that, dude, like, I haven't seen this on ETH since October 23, you know, and basically I just play the rinse and repeat game. Even back to, I mean, like I first got into crypto during like COVID and shit, way different prices, but you know, I started using these green dots and the weekly momentum and kind of this zone here, and used it again here, you know, but most of my buys are adjacent to Ethereum. But generally, like the last time I saw this structure, we pumped by 160, 170% basically. And we just printed the same structure.
And there's a massive like cup and handle on the daily chart.
Oh yeah, let's look at the daily. The daily looks pretty good too. Yeah. I mean, right here. Yeah. See what you mean. Choppy handle for sure, but I see what you're saying about that. So yeah, like I trade off of market cipher momentum waves really heavily, and then like liquidation levels if I'm like super scalping in and out. But generally speaking, the chaos theory in my mind's been that nothing would be funnier to these new institutions than to break the 4-year cycle, make everyone kind of like, we have Bitcoin in a really weird spot right now.
Yeah, well, like in the past, the 4-year cycle is always timed up with like the business cycle, except this time.
Yeah, the business cycle's been going down this entire run up on price. Like,
yeah, until now, it's like they're not using like the words like quantitative easing anymore, but like it's like they're officially starting to like inject money into the like make money cheaper and shit, right? So
yeah, there's a lot of reasons why, and basically like the ISM data, we're seeing like copper prices going up and copper activity going up, business activity increasing once again.
yeah, no, like silver looks like it's gonna go to like $250.
It's going, I mean, you know, it'll have its moments of turbulence. The interesting thing for Bitcoin in this scenario is that Bitcoin has never seen stagflation. Gold has, silver has. So the economic setup that we have right now is the same as it was in the 79 to 80 transfer, where you're cutting interest rates into inflation increasing. And gold did act very similar when we had the market locking up like we have right now, you know, where it does this, and then you got a little bull flag and then a final blow off top. And what the market is doing right now is very, very similar. It's swooping pattern, come down, bull flag right there, and then now we're off to the races. The question is, does Bitcoin follow suit? Is it viewed as an asset that, you know, is risk off? Or yeah, I think Bitcoin's much newer than gold, so it's hard to just draw a line very similar to these two graphs. But essentially what this graph means is that the housing market, the economy is locking up, and in the light of arbitrary numbers, lying about inflation data and lying about the jobs market, you can only do that for so long until you have a larger cataclysm, right? And gold goes up in the warning signs of cataclysm. It's not going up because things are going good.
When you have like gold and commodities going up like this, like it's like big money, smart money, like hedging. So like the thing is, like once that hedge turns off, like gold is gonna like it's gonna drop pretty quickly. Same
Another
with silver.
Interesting thing about gold, now that you mention that, is this run up that we're experiencing is pretty much picture perfect. I know it's, for people watching, it might not look that way, but it is very, very similar structurally to the this moment right here ended up causing mortgages to go to 18%, right? So this movement right here, looking the set up to what we have right now, after gold did that, it spent damn near 20 years in a bear market, right? So 8,200 days of flatline pain. This yellow line here,
manipulated, but it's not even fun.
It's manipulated to the degree that the government will inject ass loads of liquidity and incentives to put large investors back into treasuries and to push investors back into holding the US dollar. So we'll see if they have that ability right now. There are some things that are different.
That's where like the Genius Act comes into play too. So like basically with the Genius Act, like you have the states, which is like they can now like legally take the entire debt and double it without actually doubling it, and use their own debt to pay off their own debt, and refinance their own debt with their debt.
The Genius Act is actually going to set up the precedent to lay the groundwork to require stablecoin companies to hold U.S. treasuries as their reserves. And that's some of the weird mechanisms that I see the U.S. building into this framework for everything being set up right now.
The thing with that is you buy like stable coins, or that's pretty much how they make money, is buying treasuries, right? And then they're getting the yield off that. But
it kind of opens that door of regulatory clarity. If you're buying the government debt, you're their friend. You're the new buyer of the longevity of their currency. So
yeah, but it also creates a very like shaky structure in the future, because like they want to do USD1 and get a banking license and be doing loans with USD1. So they'd be doing loans off of a stable coin that's backed by US debt. So like you're just like creating money off of a debt and then borrowing that debt for even more debt. And like it I don't know. Like it's not
it's an aggravating situation, but it won't stop unless central banks are taken out of the equation, and central banks are the most powerful mafia consortium on the planet. So it's a large order to get banks out of the way. Also, banks are not liking the level of yield that crypto can offer in DeFi, right? Because if you completely open the floodgates and allow American, African, Chinese markets to get access to the yield that's accessible on DeFi, that is going to take customers out of the bank's hands. And that's an old school power structure that's going to have a really, really hard time getting rid of that middleman spot that these organizations are so used to having. And it's a pretty crazy thing to see go on if you're looking at the whole situation. But it's an exciting time to be alive. It's an exciting time to see crypto being able to compete on that level of the playing field, right? That's kind of how I take it. It's a great opportunity for disruption here. Let's see here. Let's test this one out. I want to see how this one goes, brother. So this is going to get weird. I'm going to see how this deported button works here. It doesn't work. Doesn't have any sound. Let's see. I got to check it on my Telegram. Check it on the telly. I'm working on a deported button. Sometimes you got to deport people. And so, Quacky, you're on X and CT, right? At Quacky, what projects are you most heavily into Bitcoin? What does your portfolio setup look like?
Pretty much like stabled up mostly. Some Bitcoin, the Aster.
Okay, pretty stabled up right now.
Yeah, pretty much just like Asters and holding right now. I'm just waiting for the L1 to launch.
Okay. Is there any point of market's breaking up that you would get in, or what are you just trading generally?
Yeah, like once like we can like confirm a bull market, but like I for some reason I think we're gonna come up and we're gonna come up pretty soon here. I think we're gonna go to like 101-ish, and then I think we're gonna have another shakeout and like come down to like 74, and then I think we're gonna like then see like all-time highs after that.
And what makes you look at 74K, if I might ask? Just from your perspective.
Well, like there's like a vector candle up at like 101-ish and like down at 74, which is like basically like the market maker's footprint. So like they always recover those candles because like there's just liquidity sitting there and like positions open that like they come back down to close. So like depending on the time frame, if it's like a shorter time frame, they'll get recovered quicker. But yeah, on the daily, there's like pretty much only two left, and like the one is at like 101-ish, and the other one's down at 74K.
Gotcha. Okay.
And if you actually look at the daily chart, like in or what was it? Yeah, it looks like if we did that and came up to the 101 and then we came back down, it actually like if you look at it, it looks like a big head and shoulders that could form. Like, and if it comes up there, that would be like the right shoulder, and then coming back down to 74K it would make sense to me.
Something like this is what you're looking for. So like roughly, bam, and then measure the move. And the reason why I asked about 74 particularly is that is the cost of creating or mining a Bitcoin, which is a definite point of interest. Like I'm hoping that you're right. I just feel like I feel like you're wrong, but I hope that you're right. And that's the whole bet right now is this a bounce point? It's structurally very similar to this February 22 pump, slight pump, get rejected, and then fall into the bear market, right? Like that kind of dynamic is undeniably where we are right now. Something that's I saw last week's price action after the Nvidia news and after some of the major macro triggers that I was looking for to get us down to that 74 level that you're talking about. They basically had no effect on the market, which I was a little bit disappointed about, right? Because I do have the tether on the side for that kind of move, and something I was looking to get out of the market. And just last week before that, like we've had a lot of makings of bad news, and it just didn't give me that moment. You know what I mean? So I don't know. Like,
Can you see my screen?
Yeah, let me pull it up for you here. So run us through what you're looking at here, how you view this.
So like if you see here, this would be like the big head on like the daily, and then your left shoulder, and then if it does come up here and claims like that 101, that would, and then it comes down, you have your right shoulder, and then you have like a massive neckline, and then I would see the breakdown to like 74, like 72, 74, and then I think we go into like a bull run into them, so like Q2-ish.
Okay. Yeah. It's something that's a potential, brother. And that's what we did last time is we fell below the production cost by about 15%. Like we're at our bear market low, we hit 15K and it was like 19 grand to make one. So that was a good deal. Like, and if we got down to that level, God, I'd be pretty damn excited. Not gonna lie, I'd be pretty damn excited about it. But I'm definitely keeping keeping position right now because I've already made pretty good money in 24 and 25. 24 was alts for me, and then 25 was tethered through trading. So now I'm in this year.
Are you trading are you trying to catch like the big moves?
Usually my trades are within the day, man. Usually I'm just looking for 20 or 30% moves. Sometimes I'll leave a trade open for maybe a couple days, but most of the time I'm closing them pretty quickly, within the day.
Yeah, same here. So I like to trade like the ranges, and then when I know we're in a bull market, then I'm just stacking like my spot conviction bags, right?
Yeah.
So
there ain't nothing wrong with making 20 or 30% a day, it's good money.
Well, this whole time here, I've been like catching most of these fucking moves up and down here, so I haven't minded this volatility. I know a lot of people it's shaking up, but I've made quite a bit of profit off these up and downs here.
Yeah.
But it does look like we wanna move up here. It's looking pretty bullish.
See, and I've left the charts alone through the holidays. Now I'm just getting back into them. I took some time off and then started getting back after it again here. So I just came back, and man, like what you're saying, like I can understand all the reasons why. It's just like what's worked for me is the momentum waves and market cipher. But yeah, like there's also a degree of chaos theory in my mind about BlackRock coming in, having a part in understanding ISM data. Like you said it yourself, like the ISM data is now starting to see action to the upside. It's been going down the whole time Bitcoin rose, right? Like pumped 126 while the ISM was going to like a bear market level pullback, So that's the crazy part about where we're at right now.
Yeah, no, it's pretty good. And you can have Trump talk, and it just changes fucking in the split second. But a big thing for me was the October 10th crash, right? That was because of MSCI and then delisting all the digital asset treasuries, right?
No, the October 10th was Binance and Coinbase and a few other large exchanges in concert.
No. What actually happened was it got here, I'll let you read it if you want. So
it was inserted liquidity pull. It was all over on chain. It's provable.
Yeah, that's what was on chain, but what actually happened, it was the news that broke, but it was no one knew about it except a couple people, which was MSCI, which is they put their index so they allow companies on the S&P and NASDAQ and shit, right? And they had on October 10th they announced that they were having a meeting with their investors to delist companies that had anything over 50% of crypto in their assets. So companies like Strategy and Riot Platforms and Marathon Digital and shit. And the decision was supposed to be on January 15th, but it happened a week ago, and they decided against it. So that's good, because that was just laying on the side. But no one knew about that for months after, and even now most people still don't really know. But that was actually what caused the October 10th crash. But there was that fuckery with the on-chain shit. But I think that's just because they had the information and no one else did, right?
No, I don't think that's what happened. I think that they did happen at the same time, but when you yank the order books of market makers that were on usually the other side of the trade, like Wintermute, and if there's nothing on the other side of the trade, price has to continue down to find those orders that are still in the books. That's why a fair value or a basic value for a lot of the altcoins was shown on that day, because they didn't have any true interest in a lot of the alts until they hit certain levels that were met during that pullback. But the timeline of the MSCI worries did happen in that same week. I just have a different general thesis about what happened, and I can understand your point of view and the timing of it, and it was a big shakeup. But my opinion is it was basically exchanges gutting leverage before they let the market go any higher, and getting people off the order books before they would owe too much. Because think about it, if price really does go parabolic in crypto with the amount of leverage that was on the books at the beginning of October, a lot of the exchanges wouldn't have been able to cover, and they would have to force close a lot of positions. It would look really ugly.
Yeah, that's why everything fucking went ADL.
Yeah, that's personally why I feel. It's just they're resetting the game board. Before a larger move happened, they wouldn't have the other side of the trade to fill, and they would have to force close those trades. So that's kind of what my vibe is of it. But I can understand like the worry of MSCI. It's
well,
MSCI,
like if MSCI, if that passed, you have to understand like MicroStrategy would have had to sell Bitcoin. I know people argue against it, but it would have happened. And like they would have had to unwind, and all the other digital asset companies would have been selling. And like after that announcement happened, like that's what happened. Like if you even look on the daily, ever since that announcement, even on every single pump we got sold into so hard. Like that's why like it just retraced every time, because like it was just these wicks right here. Like you would pump up, but like it would just get sold into so hard it would just crash back down. And like
we had a lot of bearish headwinds against us for sure.
Until just recently, when like that the announcement was made that like they're not gonna do that. You can see like the strength coming back into the candles and the movements.
We had the yen carry trade go on as well, and didn't have any sort of juice out of downside for it. The sellers are running out of power, is what I'm telling you. And I have a different focus of it, and I can understand everyone's with the 4-year cycle paradigm. They're wanting it to return. I can understand, because I'm
not with the 4-year cycle. I think it's completely over, just because we have Wall Street in the game now.
Think so?
Yeah.
So the idea that MicroStrategy would have had to sell, Saylor himself holds enough Bitcoin to cover the debt, and they don't have any debt due until 2027. There is no clause internally that makes them unwind. I understand
the argument behind it, but
I don't feel like it's just clarity, right, to the situation. It's strategy doesn't have to pay back the debt till 27. Saylor sits on enough to cover the debt as it stands right now, even if a cascade in Bitcoin happened. And the ownership of strategy is State Street and BlackRock. The same firms that people think are the organizations that are going to gut it are the ones in the background that own the shares, the interest of it. I think more so strategy is going to be something like almost like a nationalized basket of Bitcoin within the US. I think the same thing of 21 Capital.
Yeah, no, I think they're going to get control of it. We'll see what happens.
So what kind of candle is this? Was this zebra stripe gum? What am I looking at here? What is that?
This is the order book for Bitcoin.
Mm-hmm. It's a cool little what system is this? It lays out the order books below it here.
What's that?
What platform is this that you're getting this off of? What is this indicator? How do you find this? Because this looks almost like CoinGlass or liquidation, and cell block levels.
Yeah, but these are orders. So like above is like limit sell orders, and it's limit buys underneath.
Mm-hmm. Interesting. And this is all data from Binance?
It's Binance, Bybit, and one other. So like you can see like the market maker like in action, like spoofing the order book and everything. Like you see like when the price like starts getting closer to like the yellow candles, or like, so I can make it like this. You can see like how they actively, like when they're pulling the price down, like they'll remove the bids right when the price gets close to it, and they'll put them lower, right? And same when like the price is moving up.
It's kind of interesting. It's kind of like an overlay of the liquidation heat map as well with it. It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I'm sitting here. Another thing I've been doing is farming airdrop points and shit like that. But how many cycles have you been through? How many cycles have you traded?
Been in crypto since like 2013. Bitcoin's like $10.
Nice. So did you feel all the way back then even too? Because I feel like the 4-year cycle, when it had when the halving was a much bigger effect, I felt like that had a bigger kind of economic impact on Bitcoin. Do you think that that's lessened over time, or where are you at with that? Like what?
Yeah, I think it lessens like each time it happens, right? Just because like it's less, and also like just because like we wanted Wall Street's money so bad, like it. Bitcoin and crypto, like especially the like large caps, like they trade more like stocks and like the Nasdaq and shit, dude. Like because like now we have like CME futures, right? So like when you're like, it depends when you're trading, right? Like if you're trading during the weekends, it's more like old school because like you have Binance who pretty much has control of everything on the weekend, but like during like the like trading hours on like CME futures, like they like the market makers like just have unlimited money, right? So like this is nice because like you can see them like spoofing the order book, right? And in past cycles you had all the whales and like they were spoofing the order books themselves, which is like it's illegal, right? But like they place like, so like, and when you have these orders above, right? Because like the price of Bitcoin can't rise if like there's not someone selling it. Like just think if you go to a store, like you can't buy something that the store is not selling, right? So like for Bitcoin to rise, you actually need people to be selling it. But like, so like if you have like this morning, like how I knew it was just gonna like go crazy today is like there was so many fucking orders, man, like above like the price, and like the market maker's job is to like match orders and hunt the liquidity, right? So like I just like I seen it this morning, it was just like crazy, dude. There was so many orders in the order book. Like I haven't seen volume like that in a while.
Nice. That's a pretty cool tool. I like that. Definitely good for like day-to-day trading for sure.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah. 2013, man. That's all right. And so I know you mentioned you're mostly Tether, and you've laid out kind of the lower levels. Let's say things do prove out to be a macro bounce level from here. Like, do you wait to see if 103 is broken, 103 cracked to get back into that old trading range before re-engaging with spot or longer term, maybe even leverage holds? Or what's kind of the trigger if the PSYOP is real and we don't get to that production cost of Bitcoin again? What would that price be that kind of initiates spot purchases once again?
I think like if like this move can be sustained and like it's holding like high volume, but like it's as long as we're not like being like crazy sold into. So like if we can get like some strong daily like wicks the candles closing without wicks, that would show like strength, continued strength for me.
And you mentioned CME gaps, so I wanted to ask you a little bit about that, because usually I'm looking at CME gaps just on the daily time frame, and looking at it, unfortunately, like I looked at this fresh, and we got one at 94.8 to 95.3 right now. Do you look for CME gaps on different timelines other than the daily candles? Like, how do you?
No.
Hey, isn't that like, I feel like I'm kind of crazy seeing posts about this stuff where people will pull up the 15-minute chart and
I think CME gaps are like a little bit like people think are like, though it's gonna get filled instantly, but like they're not as big of a deal on Bitcoin and shit as they are on like stocks, like something like Nvidia or something. Like I would say, like for sure, like yeah, like I'd trade into that, but like on Bitcoin and shit, it's a little bit different.
Yeah. Oh shit.
But yeah, like I was saying before, like with the previous cycles, like we had like the whales, right? And the whales were pretty much like the same people, and like at the end of the cycle, like they would sell off, right? And then they would reaccumulate at the bottom. But like they could control the price, right? So like I said, like you have like the price when it goes up here, and they place orders of like right above the price. And when it moves up to hit those orders, they pull them out and then put them higher. And that's what causes the price to like chase up and keep going, right? And before, like they used to have control of it, but over time, like we've slowly lost, like they've lost the control of the Bitcoin to BlackRock and MicroStrategy and like all these institutions, right?
Man.
So now Bitcoin is kind of trading more like the stocks and shit, right?
I want to ask you this: do you think the U.S. is going to seize that 600,000 Bitcoin from Venezuela? What's your thoughts?
Oh yeah, 100%.
Yeah, I feel like it's a pretty strong possibility. I feel like it's a pretty strong possibility.
I thought they sold some of it already.
Well, there was some sale from like the New York, I think it was like the New York DOJ, or is a New York judicial branch that sold, but it's, you know, met with a lot of pissed off feelings from.
Yeah, because Trump was saying that like anything seized and shit would go to the reserve.
Right, and it was the God, what was it? Chat, if they can remind me of it. I think it was the SDNY, Southern District of New York, I think is what it was. They were the ones that sold it off. So, you know, yeah, there's a little bit of miscommunication going on internally with the federal government on crypto. You know, it's like the most bearish thing, the biggest battle I think we're up against in crypto with this new legislation is their annoyance and wish to take away our ability to self-custody crypto. I think that's like the one that's, you know, self-custody crypto is probably the one that's going to be gone after, you know, for talking points and things that could find, you know, a little bit of headwinds from these regulatory clarity moves. But,
yeah, it's pretty bad now. Like, like I don't know, like with like exchanges and shit, fucking tracking all your shit, you know.
And I feel so lost, like the crypto ethos. Like I got into crypto because of like encrypted communication, and then I moved one step further to like, all right, Bitcoin is cool, person-to-person payments, self-custody, awesome, right? Now it's just like this suckfest of how much BlackRock is going to buy today, and you know, some of that cypherpunk ethos is just evaporated. I feel like it drives me a little nuts sometimes, for sure. Personally, you know, I know some people like it. Honestly, I feel like we would have still had a bull market without them. I do.
Oh yeah.
You know. Look at him. We got Matt pacing. Let's go full screen. Look at him pacing. Oh man. Yeah, but on these, I'm glad that you made me feel more sane. I only look for the CME gaps on the daily. And the thing about these, we haven't missed one since the ETFs went live, which is another interesting thing to me, is that since those spot ETFs went live on Wall Street, not a single one of these have been missed. Before that, like all that price action before, 23, there was about an 85% hit rate on these CME gaps.
Yeah.
So it's been a little bit of a difference, a little bit different, but generally the same. What's up, Jay?
Yeah, they're definitely not making it easy for retail anymore.
No, and they, I didn't expect them to. I didn't expect them to make it easy to win. Of course not. And all the bearish sentiment, like viewership, care, focus on crypto is at insane lows, while the price is all the way up here, which is by design. You get the people
when you factor in like inflation too, it's not even that high.
Yeah, inflation's been nuts, and that's the kind of the scary thing that they're doing is cutting into inflation. But they have certain products that are coming down in cost, so they're like, hey, look over here, this is way cheaper, and then you have fucking insurance up 400% or whatever, and healthcare costs and general food. So whoa, shit, there's the Matt Malik. What up, dog?
Where Malik? Hey,
there Malik.
Dude, it hadn't followed me for days, and then suddenly it just turns on and follows me around. It's so weird.
Jesus. We're just chatting it up,
Sorry, I had a call with the somebody. I won't say who. I'm not allowed to.
You're so elusive.
People are so petty. No, it's not me. It's everyone else. It's all the people in the chat that like to talk shit. You shit talkers in the chat.
So how do you like VDEX?
What?
I love it. I love
how he likes VDEX.
Oh, he likes it a lot. I think he can tell you. Sorry.
Yeah, I like it.
I mean, the biggest thing about them is they're the most responsive team in crypto when it comes to like taking our input and actually implementing it, which does not happen a lot, honestly, in my experience. Are you trading anything right now? Is Bitcoin rolling over here?
Bitcoin's 95.1, 95 flat a little bit. It's just flopping and going.
Oh no, there's we have to download the duck race now.
What?
Uh-oh. What?
No, you're getting.
That was the you know what?
Yeah, you're gonna get scammed.
No, here. We're gonna do just one duck race with Elise, Quacky. You have to be in a duck race because your name's fucking Quacky. Okay.
That's true. That is true.
Yeah, you probably win because the algo here is gonna be like, oh, we've got a duck name. He wins. Elise, Drew, Malik, Josh, Dirk. Oh, what did I just do?
I knew I should have kept those shorts open. Fuck.
Malik, Drew. Josh. Who else is there? Are you looking at it? Dirk.
Oh, where's Josh? Oh yeah, there's Josh.
Hey, play the Josh Money song really quick, just because I want to know.
Calatry is there too.
Coltree, my boy. Coltree, can you tell him your Colatry? I want to hear him pronounce his own name.
You don't talk about poultry, man. We're talking about ducks here.
It's true. Elise, I see you. Why? Because you're here, Elise. Gates for profit.
Johnny Blaze.
Oh, Johnny Blaze.
Did you tell Drew about Foxify at all?
No, dude. Foxify is like the breakout props, but a totally different way of going about elevating up, and they let you use whatever leverage you want. and it gives you a little more cushion. You know how like breakout is like super tight, right? It gives you a lot more cushion.
Okay.
I'll pull it up here in 1 second right after we do this. So let's do a 56-second. Here we go. Now let's find better. We got it better. I want somebody with the Trump hat on. Where's Trump? Oh, we got Grandma. Grandma Duck. Grandma Duck's good. Okay, here we go. You guys ready? Did I miss anything? Oh, Gates for Profit. I missed you, didn't I? I did. I missed Gates. I missed Gates. Oh, no, Gates, you're there. Yeah, I got everybody. Moosh Moolah. Oh, Moosh Moolah, I'm going to send you credits right now. Give me your damn thingy dingy. Here we go. Forward stuff. Dude, there. Did you do that, Drew?
Yeah.
I know, that was good.
Yeah, Drew, I'll post the box thing in the comments.
Send me a link. I'll pull it up. That'd be great.
Gates is sleeper cell. He's an Iranian sleeper cell.
Gates for Profit is Iran. Did the Iranian government get overthrown today or no?
It's on its way. The CIA has done a great job laying the groundwork for it, man.
I mean, for the last 25 years?
Yeah. It's a long-term plan, buddy. Oh, shit. There's Blaze. There's Blaze. Here he comes. Oh, shit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Malik. Oh, Malik, you slow ass. Wait, who runs the vape shop? The Iranians? Johnny Blaze. I wasn't going to give out anything
Indians.
for winners, but you know what? We're going to be nice tonight because
there's no fucking. There's no Iranians. I mean, there's probably
Armenians run smoke shops. That's the fact.
Yes. Armenians, yes.
Yes. We got to get better costumes. I don't. Oh, there we go. No. Why are they...
Did I lose the duck race?
We all lost, Quacky, but you're going to get another chance with a better duck. Quacky, you're the panda bear duck.
Taste me, bro.
I'm gonna come.
Dirk's about to win. You're welcome, Johnny Blaze. Oh, Gina's in the house. Gina in the house.
Can't
Gina,
believe
you want to come up and stream with us? Feel free to.
My last place.
You want to be in last place, dude.
You are,
if
yeah.
You're
you want to
front,
be.
You never win. Only the ones at the back come up to win.
You gotta save the energy for the last part of the race, you know, like boxing.
It really is.
All right. Oh shit! No, I'm in there. All right, who's going? Who's going to that? Oh shit! There's Elise. There's Elise.
Elise Navidad.
Good job, Elise.
Elise Navidad. Let me give you your $1. Gina, you want in? You're bare naked? Oh, come on for sure. Then no, I'm just joking. Okay. I did not say that out loud. That was somebody else inside me. Don't clip that. Don't clip that, please. Don't clip that. Okay.
They're gonna clip it.
I know. It's fucking clipped 10 times. There's going to be 30 clips. Malik harasses woman on stream, suing Arena at him. Okay. Gina, I'm going to give you a duck. I'm going to give you 2 if you don't sue me, okay? No, I'm just joking. We can't have a DEI duck, so you can only have 1.
Oh my god, this is incredible.
Now, we're going to make the race 47 seconds. You see the little different thing here going on.
He's gonna sue you.
No, Gina won't sue me. She's my friend. Oh, no, she's suing. It's all over.
Yep, she's suing you.
Okay, sue me now so I can file bankruptcy afterwards. Just get it over with.
Yeah, just do it.
Yeah, just do it quick. I'll plead no contest. Dude, I just did the Trump duck again. I saw it and I missed it. There we go, Superman duck. Drew, you're Superman.
I'm
I know, Gina. I wouldn't have said a word if I didn't think you were the coolest in the world.
Super duck. I'm blowing my lot.
Dirk, you're the retard duck. Yay. Quacky, you're from Britain, bro.
Dude, Gina's gonna win this one. Look at her. She's saving all her energy.
Vagina in the house.
Oh my god, you are banned.
No, she said
Dude.
that. Not me. She said
I
that.
know.
I'm not allowed to say it out loud? Okay, I'm not a woman.
You are banned. Deported.
Horrible.
Oh my god, that was horrible for me.
Gosh.
I'm gonna call ICE. Get me out of here. I'm gonna call ICE on you, Gina. Call them.
Gosh, you
Wow,
got
that's
it.
second place.
I'm on the phone with them right now. I'll be there shortly.
Come get Elise. Elise is an illegal immigrant of the arena. Gosh. I'm running out of arena to give away here, so you're getting 50 cents, not $1, but I'm doing my best here. All right, last one. Here we go. Malik and Drew just don't win this ever, which is proof that it's not rigged.
That's a good thing. You don't
And
know.
Quacky, whose name is a duck, didn't even win. Yeah. I think it's because you're British. They don't want you to win.
God, I keep blowing my wad too early. As the super
I mean,
duck.
that's what she said.
It's true. It's real. Shit's real. I probably got some.
Follow me back on X. I'll send you some shit about box of that. You can check it out.
Oh, you sent me the link?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
I'm gonna come.
Gina! Gina, that is a top hat worn by a dancer of the highest caliber right there.
Oh my god!
I just shot myself and tased myself.
Okay, Boomer.
All right, I'll just send.
Deported. Deported.
Get more of my AVAX. Where is that from?
It's a sound. Somebody Spicy must have put that in there as a sound.
Yeah, you gotta add Sophie in that race.
All right, I sent it as a tip. So
Okay, cool. So wait, did you have a link for me, Quacky?
I'll go back to Asia.
Oh wow, Gina, that is you. You're really leaning into your heritage. I like it. Okay, Doug, races are over for the night because Gina won, so it's not fair anymore. Let's see Lambo on the 1 minute chart. Let's see here. Wow.
Where am I sending you this link?
Yeah, where are you sending it to in Discord?
Yeah.
Okay. General chat.
If I got deported, it'd be back to Luxembourg.
Yeah.
It'd get weird.
Is it in our private chat between me and you? Is that what it is?
It's in general chat. I can send it.
Oh no, if it's in your chat, that's fine too. In the oh, there it is. I got it.
And then this is
So it's you use Arbitrum USDC.
Sonic USDC.
Okay.
Sonic.
So start with 100 USDC collateral deposit. Receive a funded account size of 500. Initial drawdown limit 20%. That's way better than what's it called.
And then these are the levels. So like, you start with 2,500, and then when you make 375, you level up and you get 500. And then with my affiliate link, you get an extra $250 back.
Right. So if you
get like a free account after you level up the first time.
So you just have to pass one level, and you basically have a free account.
Yeah, you'll have more. You'll have profit and a free account.
That doesn't apply for the entry. That only you have to do pro, right?
Yeah.
What's the point of Flash? The only difference is that it's a 90% share.
What's that?
What's the Flash version right here?
Oh, it's not active right now.
Oh, it's not active. That's something for the future.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Dude, I'm always looking for these because I think now that the market's going to go, I think it's going to be a lot easier to use them, right? and it's just good to have an extra size
Well,
pad there.
it's really good for like new people learning too, because like it makes you learn risk management, right?
Yep.
Because like you only have so much fun, so like, and then like
unlike breakout, it's not limited to 5x leverage, right?
no, it's still like it's because you have extra money. It doesn't even really matter the leverage. You just got to watch your position size, right?
Yep. Okay, so that's exactly right.
But yeah, there is like 100x leverage and shit. Like
that'd be with that number, that'd be crazy. You get liquidated so fast.
Yeah, and like there's competitions all the time. Just like sometimes there's volume competitions. So like if you have like all that funded, like you can put in so much volume.
So where do we think BTC is going to come down to before it goes back up? It was 94.6.
Shit, I'm looking at ETH right now, bro.
Oh, tell me about ETH. What do you think about ETH?
I mean, it's riding a trend line to the upside. Bitcoin just needs to hold above 95. Yeah, I mean, these are bull flags being developed right now. So.
Yeah, I might go long.
Yeah, no, it just keeps creating bull flags and going.
Hopefully, it'll work out one day.
I'm using a 5% stop loss because I find that on VDEX that's pretty good because it doesn't like flash down like a crazy lunatic, you know.
Well, liquidity.
So like 93,400 is the 24-hour max pain for the longs.
No.
93,000. Okay.
Yeah, there's a spot there. It's on can cause some pain and violence there for sure.
On Solana, it's like 140, 240.
Yes, that makes sense. And then ETH is like, oh wow, look at that. I'm gonna stop out of this in 2 seconds.
Oh shit! What up, Nick?
Who's here? Nick Dunn?
Yeah.
Nick Dunn in the house. Wait, this is Nick Dunn. Like, where, Nick? Where are you
from
living?
The basement.
This is Nick from the basement, right?
Yeah.
My Nick, right?
I don't think so.
I don't know. Okay. Oh, you mean he's a member of the basement? Right.
Yeah.
I thought you meant somebody else. I got confused.
Yeah, you done?
I got boomered out. Okay, so I just stopped out. That was great. Good job, me.
That's huge. Wait a minute. What did you just do?
I just did a ETH long and it went straight down.
Nice. This is the moment you came in. Is that giant red candle?
Yep. Look at this. Holy shit balls. We're looking at my screen. Yeah.
That's really great. I'm really glad you could do this to our market.
Let's see where Sol's at right now. Oh yeah, 144.
Yeah, and if you want to transfer funds onto Sonic, if you like have them on Avalanche, you can use Shadow. It's like the main DEX, but like it uses circles like CCTP, so like you don't get like any slippage or anything.
No, I did a small one yesterday, and it was absolutely zero cost.
Alec just broke the market.
I think we're gonna keep falling right here, guys.
You just broke the market.
Did I break it? Is it my fault?
It saw you show up. It's like, that's it.
Market, man. I break dexes. I break markets. I break people's brains. Talking.
Thanks for reposting, Ellie. Appreciate you.
Man. Oh yeah, we're going down. Like, I think this is going to be the last dip. That I'd like it to just violently go down to 142, and also.
Yeah, I put a short.
What you want to see ETH, right? That's what you're looking at.
Just doing the same thing as Bitcoin. It's rolling over.
You know, everything's rolling over. I see that. But what do you think the price is that ETH bounces off of 3,000?
32.62.
What is it?
32.62.
32.62. That makes sense. That fits more with what I was just thinking about Bitcoin going to. Oh, let me check. You know what I need to do? I need to check my messages. Dude, I need to check my messages with the guy from Suede. Hold on.
Oh, did you get that song? Get us that song.
I know. I'm going there right now. Oh, let me. You know what? Wait. Suicidally dumb? How dumb is it that we can pass secure voting laws when we have the House, Senate, and presidency? That's pretty bad.
JD's been cooking in the kitchen, no cap. Stirring up the sauce, crypto world on the map. Late nights, bright lights, scheming in the zone. Version 2's the bomb.
So does everybody agree that my name on Twitter should be Matthew J. Malik as opposed to Malik_Matthew, which annoys me?
Oh yeah.
And not the Malik, right?
Yeah, you gotta go with the Matthew J if that's the only one that's
Malik
available.
would be funny.
If you want Matthew Malik, you're gonna have to buy it off me.
Yeah, no, Matthew Malik, somebody else has it. But I took Matthew J. Malik, which is me. So
there it goes. Starting to roll over.
Yeah, baby. Down, down, down. Oh, no, of course Bitcoin had to decide.
Dude, I'm so close to this deported video. I'm just trying to get the sound out of it.
Well, dude, why don't you use my AI and see if it works? I'll just let you log in as me. Or just, dude, can you give me the prompt you use and see if mine comes up with I'll use 4 different video editors and see which one gives us the best video. Just give me the asset and the picture and the video. I mean, the picture and the prompt. And we'll just take the best one. Who cares who creates it? Let's just get a good one.
I'll send this to you.
Left and right, dude.
I'll telegram you here.
Sweet.
You know
Dude,
what the problem
our
is.
clips with Jose today are so funny. Hold on.
Oh, they're good. They're good.
I want to show people here I want people here to get some of the taste for what they missed today on the basement. So I'm going to change our. Where the heck is my screen, guys? Not here. Here it is. Okay, so I'm going to take this one off for a sec. Remove. Close. Then we're going to go. Okay, window.
Oh wait, I think I just fixed it, Matt. I think I just did.
Did you fix it?
Well, I sent it to you too, but it might have came over with the.
Where is my?
Let's see.
Here it is on YouTube.
It's not letting me log in the arena. It's saying a client side.
You have to clear your cache. Drew, can you explain?
This is those 3.
They did an update and everybody has to clear their cache. I had to do it this morning too.
You had to delete your browsing data.
Your
and then you do
yeah.
browsing history, cookies,
if you're using Brave.
cached, and download history. You gotta delete those things to get it reset. They did some upgrades. Check this shit out.
Okay, here we go. All right. Hold on. Music off, pretty please, DJ.
Hold on one sec.
Sure.
Hold on.
Guys, if you don't find these funny, I will be shocked. Yeah, I didn't have to. No, Safari, you didn't have to, but I'm on a stupid PC where, because I'm using Brave, and Chrome, I had to. Safari is the only one that didn't blow up.
Yeah, I'm on Firefox. It's sucked.
All right, I'm testing something.
You are deported.
I think that's it.
Don't you think you needed the word deported stamped on it?
Oh yeah, probably, huh?
Yeah, that word and that image with the word deported stamped, that would be great.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? 5, and
Okay.
people are gonna wait.
You know, everything that's going on culturally, economically. Who's the next Fed chair? Are we going to be filling those sharks with
They
bills?
already have money. There's 5 of these. They have a $100 bill, a 50, a 20, a 10, and a 5. And someone's gonna pick one, and I'm gonna beat the shit out of the pinata. Whenever dollar bill comes out of it, they're gonna win that credit on VDEX.
You know, everything that's going on culturally,
one.
economically.
Stop.
Who's the next Fed chair?
Number 2, this one was really good.
Ducey in mind and Elise in mind. But that is something I'm going to be tackling later on.
With a credit system that I think you and I are going to love because it has to do with our success as traders and benefits our community.
Oh, well, please.
I'm pretty excited about it.
Can I say it? Can I talk about it?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, so he's going to give us a bag that we can't make money off of, but it's going to be sizable, something like $10,000. And whatever we make on it, that money we give to our community. And it becomes a certain sort of super credit where they will be able to withdraw it after a certain amount of time. The details are not fully worked out, but we'll have a bag. We're incentivized to do very well with it because all the profit goes to our community.
Absolutely. Awesome. I'm excited. It's almost like I'm getting ready to go into war for the community.
War for the community, Drew. War for the community, dude.
Lucy in mind and Elise in mind. But that is
dude. We need to. I should have titled this one "War for the Community." Okay.
Oh, you still can.
I know. I already called. I called it new credit system. How do you change the? I don't know how to use YouTube clips. I should have done it on Arena. I screwed up. But
it's okay.
Oh, what do you mean, dude? You don't understand. For Jose, he is so happy right now. You have no idea.
And seem very crowd focused, which I really, really do.
See how this comes out.
You know, and for what's coming, you said a few months. What do you think is like the next big, you know, kind of inside baseball? I know I don't want to ask for too much. Like, say what you can, but what's the next step in the process for VDEX? If I can, gonna ask you about that.
Oh, no, I'm happy to. So some things that are in the pipeline right now, I'm going to work at some of the maybe the boring things and work our way up.
Can put pictures in this chat.
Trading credit reform.
I don't think so. No.
Maybe aware that like there's this bug when you have trading credits.
Yeah, like I take you guys on the thing on
and
X.
like you deposit like the credit like has like sort of like eats your balance, and that's like a silly bug that has unfortunately a complicated solution. So we've been working on that. Once we fix that and a few other trading credit related shenanigans, that's going to allow us to create a comprehensive rewards hub. And so you may have also noticed that we
seem very crowd focused, which I really, really do appreciate. You know, I feel that way. Coming, you said something else is interesting with Binance.
Come on, this is great.
Is it weird that I can't wait for Friday's duck race? The duck races are so much fun. You know, everyone's so serious, and the world's like on fire, and everyone's losing their mind. We race ducks. We send crypto. We have fun on the channel. All right.
Yep.
I agree. I feel that way.
Sorry, that wasn't
something I'm going to be tackling later on.
With a credit system that I think you and I are going to want.
Need to have these capital efficient markets to act as a source of truth. And so that's why our upcoming prediction markets on.
So I was able to stop out and profit. And quite frankly, that's like the last feature that I needed to see for that, so that everybody could trade there safely and happily. So super stoked.
I made it out of that triangle.
They also added
probably going to come back down and bounce off the top of it next.
That's what they were calling it, but it's in profit stop losses.
Yeah.
Trailing stops mean you can do it multiple different stops, right?
I like using those a lot. I like using those a lot just to keep my trade safe. We did bump up.
I'm getting close on this map.
$93,627. Ducey, are you watching? Where are you, Ducey?
Ducey.
Might be time to de-risk that big one from 100, right?
Dude, if he didn't sell at this point, I'm never talking to him again. You can make it back on VDEX.
Yeah. He's trading
in like 2 seconds.
Major. Those are like
all right. So we've been
with that.
Yeah.
VDEX.
Easy.
I won.
Hey,
there we go. I found it. Sorry, guys.
What is that background? That's
wow, that noise was crazy, Drew.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
That's
not
you,
cool.
Hi,
I know.
Hey, how you doing? Glad to be here. Thank you for having me.
We're glad you're here. Thank you.
Yes.
All right, I think I got it, Matt. I'm on it.
Chaos, so it's perfect timing.
People are making websites. Yeah. But Jose, you're making something pretty incredible. Like I really like. I use a bunch of centralized exchanges previous.
Jesus, I'm hearing myself like really 5 times.
The structure on VDEX as well. I got some community members that are having more success than they've ever had trading on VDEX. And Matt just brought up, did you just upgrade some of the stop loss mechanisms within VDEX? Can you kind of tell me a little bit more? Because I use that stuff all the time.
Yeah, we've been doing a lot of updates behind the scenes, so all sorts of things happening. Yeah, we've been working on that. And we've
I
also
don't
been
know,
working on
Nick.
making sure
I
the
really
lines
don't.
appear, because I've noticed because I've actually been doing it
Bitcoin.
live,
What he's asking what to buy.
noticing all the little things. And
Bitcoin's
two
always
things
safe.
we just rolled out yesterday are like sometimes when you refresh the page, the most recent candle that isn't finished yet doesn't like it loads in like 2 seconds after all the other candles. We fixed that, so now they all load in at the same time. And then
I
we're
knew
also,
that wasn't just me. Okay, great.
yes, that's one. And then the other one is the stop loss lines. So sometimes they also take a while. I'm actually not sure this one is fixed, so you guys can tell me. But we pushed a solution to it to make sure those lines, stop loss, take profit, limit order, appear immediately instead of waiting 2 seconds.
Gotcha.
Okay, I'll do one right now.
All sorts of like little things like that are popping up. And we're continuing to do that, but we got some big stuff
here.
Well, and when everyone's on there and you're still essentially in beta, right? Like we're not rolled out and kind of going across the spectrum. Is it still technically in beta as far as VDEX goes?
There it is.
Jose?
Look at those lines. That's great.
Still beta, still day one.
You are so ADD in these interviews, Matt.
We certainly have a lot of.
What I do? What I do?
Like, look at these lines, and no one can fuck you looking at.
What was I talking about?
Okay.
What the fuck was
I
I
don't
talking
know.
about?
Anyone that's watching, if you are trading on VDEX and
Oh
you
no, I was
run
talking about
into
the
things that
line.
can be
The
fixed, or
line.
you're finding
Dude, we were
weirdness,
talking about the chart.
send me,
That wasn't
Matt,
ADD.
Then show the
information.
chart.
We can forward that over to
I don't.
team Jose runs.
You control the blockchain basement thingy.
How old is that guy?
I don't control the
Jose,
thingy.
is you guys
Oh, okay.
very,
You
very
understood, right, Elite?
Like I'm used to dealing with
Not hot swapping, keeping up with your ADD. Not.
And I gotta give you your credit in that, because you guys fix things very effectively and seem very crowd focused, which I really, really do appreciate.
All right, boys. I'm getting some sleep.
For what's
I'll see you in the
coming, you
morning.
said a few months. What do you think is like the next big, kind of inside baseball? I know I don't want to, but what's the next?
Did you just say you're going to sleep, or is that another video talking to itself?
Can I ask you about that?
Oh no, I'm happy to. So some things that are in the pipeline right now, I'm going to work on some of the maybe the boring things and work our way up. Is we're doing a lot of trading credit reform. So some may be aware that like there's this bug when you have trading credits and then you like lose money and like you deposit, like the credit like has like sort of like eats your balance, and that's like a silly bug that has unfortunately a complicated solution. So we've been working on that. Once we fix that and a few other shenanigans, that's going to allow us to create a comprehensive rewards hub. And so you may have also noticed that we launched and this is sort of like the prelude to the rewards hub, the deposit matching campaign, where you can deposit 200, get 100, deposit 500, get another 100. And that's a really big deal. We want to expand that to when you get liquidated, when you get certain volume milestones, when all sorts of other things like centralized exchanges have, but no PerpDex, as far as I'm aware, has this kind of rewards.
They have not. They have not. And I went through almost all of the major PerpDexes that people are farming currently. Right now, like there's like 6 of them that people are actively farming. None of them have any of the things that we just discussed. Not one.
Yeah. You got to get on, just credits out. I know I got Ducey in mind and Elise in mind. But that is something I'm going to be tackling later on.
Oh, shit. I got to get up for the show, too. I can't leave later with our other traders. Let's finish watching this, and then I'm going to call it a night here. Can I say it? Can I talk about it?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, so he's going to give us a bag that we can't make money off of, but it's going to be sizable, something like $10,000. What up, Dirk? Whatever we make on it, that money we give to our community, and it becomes a certain sort of super credit where they will be able to withdraw after a certain amount of time. Where are you, Elise? No, I'm in Detroit. We're incentivized to do very well with it because all the profits go to our community.
Absolutely. I'm excited. It's almost like I'm getting ready to go into war for the community. You know what I mean?
Like that.
I'm kind of sure. And I took the holidays off trading, which it's on me. But Jose, I got 4 kids, bunch of chickens. I got to take care of them during the holidays and stuff.
I think this is war for the community. Modern day, this is about as good of a compliment as you'll get on anything.
So I'm excited. We're getting ready. And we're kind of combining it, because obviously I trade on centralized exchanges, but I like being able to trade directly out of wallets as well. So I'm trading out of my Rabby wallet and out of a MetaMask wallet directly. Doing decent on points, but I'm gotta catch up to Matt. He's always ahead of me on that. He's a man with an insatiable
possessed.
yeah, an insatiable urge for trading. So pretty exciting. I'm excited to see this year, Jose. I think the launch of VDEX is coming at a time where many people are trying to fade crypto, and I think crypto is about to slap the people that are sleeping right in the face. So,
dude,
you know,
we said this,
I'm
and then
feeling
the market
that this year is going to
just went
throw a lot of
crazy
people
right
off.
afterwards.
Going to
We're
leave a lot of
profit,
people
bro.
behind. We got a lot of people in
Profit.
this community that have stayed locked into crypto that I think are going to do
I used to be West
fine.
Coast forever.
And I do have to hop to a
I
very
looked at the
important
post.
meeting,
I don't see a post.
Jose, can you drop the
What? Read the Discord.
Oh, in Discord? Who said that?
I did.
Oh.
Just before he shut down or whatever.
Where is my Discord? Where is it? There it is. There it is. Okay. Bruh. There it is. I got it. Is it a DM, a private message to me? Oh, there we go. Found it. Okay, good. Oh, good point. So everybody, if you guys are not following me or Quacky, I am now Matthew J. Malik on Arena. I mean, on X. Matthew J. Malik. Josh, do you concur that Matthew J. Malik was better than the Malik?
Yes.
Okay, good. We all agree on this, right? Okay, so I'm Matthew J. Malik is better than Malik _ Matthew, right? That's annoying as hell. So I got Matthew J. Malik today, thank God. And Quacky is
3 Ys.
Quacky with 3 Ys because they're probably KWACKYYY. Follow Quacky, get good market insights. And what do you guys make of? Oh, yeah, it is like $2. You want $3, Dirk? Okay, why can I not find this thing? What am I looking for here? So follow him and follow Quacky and me, or I'm gonna never stream again. You want $3, Dirk? Hold on, let me see if I got $3 here. I think I do. Most of my money is in my trading accounts right now for this craziness. Hallelujah. Look at that. Look at that. What are we supposed to buy?
You're supposed to buy look token.
No. No.
Yeah.
No.
There's a new Pornhub skin.
Yeah, great. Nobody, I don't think any dude. The look token was going. If it was, wait, where did you go? If it was going to work, it would have happened.
Dude, it's gonna work. Are you serious?
Wait, Ghost.
You're up to date, man.
Ghost in the arena. Oh my God, Josh, you did not. You bastard. Why is everybody tipping Dirk? I just gave Dirk money. Tip Dirk. Okay, tip Dirk. Dirk, go buy it. Where? Maida, you're such a dick. Okay, Matthew is Ghost in the arena. Wait, who is Ghost? What am I? Is this anime? I don't know what Ghost is. Okay, Ghost. Should I watch that? Is that the anime I should watch tonight?
What?
Quack.
What?
All right,
Quack.
Here's the deal. I'm dying. I gotta go to bed because I gotta get up early again for the thing.
1 sec.
Ghost in the Shell.
Can...
I want to do something funny here.
Sure.
Deported.
Okay, Boomer.
Boomer.
FBI, open up!
It still never ceases to scare me, even when I push the button myself.
You see my screen? You want to share it?
Yeah, what is it here? No. No. Pornhub is trying very hard to get this look token, but it's not going to happen. Oh,
And it's going, man.
oh my God, dude, guys, just so you know, Link is kind of pumping right now too. I'm going to sleep, guys. I love you all. I'm going to play the end credit. Where's my little funny thing here? It's right here. I'm like running. Loser.
Oh my God.